swing moves. I will do all the footwork as a leader and a follower today. So in our pure bow section, we used a thing where we said the left leg has a flourish. We have 3 flourish options for the left leg. Our first flourish option is where we're going to sweep behind and kick, bow, and step. So it's like a little Charleston windmill. Our second flourish option, we are going to have a sweep around and a replace. It can also be a sweep around and just step next to your foot. And our third option is going to be a sweep, tap, brush, step. I will do all of those with the actual footwork because our standing leg is going to have a little bit of a tick-tock motion. So if I'll do this, I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm going to start on the right foot right now. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, brush, and 1, 2, 3, 4, brush. And that's like a very lazy version of the windmill. If I wanted to make it more specifically, a circle would look like 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I do the sweep around, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also step this on 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring that underneath too. Just depending how your partner's reacting to the slight traveling you're doing. And then we have our brush tap ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sideways, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can add that with a little release before, or we can just take that straight back into the sweep, just depending how you want to do that. We then use a maxi triple with a slide, or a pullback triple is called that. And we're just doing it on the left foot, which would either be 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to go a step, step, hold, step, step, triple step, pull, step, step, hold, step, step, triple step, pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. I'll do this sideways. So if I'm doing the follower side, I would count this on my right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. If I was a leader, I would start that on 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did a little fan exercise where we practiced moving with our fans sideways with 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that just practices getting your feet moving in this really awkward motion from your legs being parallel to turning out. And that's just, some of you will have a more natural inclination to do that based on how your hips are built. And if I'm doing the very basic releasing only with the fan, 1, 2, 3, fan, 1, 2, 3, fan, 1, 2, 3, fan, 1, 2, 3, fan. Or I can fan all of my steps. 1, 2, 3, fan, 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 fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one sometimes is easier if you practice like fan, 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 hold, fan, 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 hold, fan, 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 hold, fan, fan. So I'm really staying on that path up there. Okay, we're gonna move on to the bow swing stuff. Bow swing, we have a sweepy leg version. So we have our, this is from rotational out and ins, which means that my basic would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, out and in and out and in. And if I'm going to sweep that, it's going to be my right leg going rond de jambe around. It's like rond de jambe around. So I'd have that going, but first I have to practice still moving out and in. So I'm thinking here's a line. Look, you see my body is going to go out and in. Step. Out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Out and in. So I'm still moving in that same motion with my leg, and my partner will help support me on that. Go out and in and out and in. Out and in and out and in. So I'm going to sweep the leg around. Then we did our circle slides. Said you can put a chair down so you can practice moving out and around. Or I'd have out and around. And then eventually we're going to wind up and we're going to go whoop. We're going to wind up and turn. That was actually really good. Then we're going to put them in our lollies. So if I was doing the follower side, it would be my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Circle, slide, and tap around. If I'm doing this as a leader, I'd have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not good at these on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. The important thing is your partner is to keep doing lollies. Then we did a cat butt. It was our last thing, which is going to go drop and open. Or I have the other side, drop and open. If I did that in my lollies as a follower, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Doing that as a leader. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Or it could be on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.